Okay, everybody, this part 13, I want to show you how to log in with the session start and session destroy. Yeah, right now we want to create a login file. Okay, and we code typing PHP code, and we use the session start. Here and I want to have a password one more to compare. Yeah, 126 and password default. So then I want to echo a password. Okay, I go to the browser and I write to the login folder. Okay, now it's password folder, refresh, and I click the login. So I copy the password hash here. We go to login. Okay, right now I refresh here. Password hash. With the like this. Okay, right now we want to submit. Okay, right now I copy, go to. Okay, we use the password variable and push password. Okay, right now we want to compare passwords, verify, and we put the password here, WD, and the password hash. Okay, so if the password when I click the from form login equal with the password hash here, mean that equals or and redirect to, and yes, we create the session ID, password. And I want to set password and we equals in valid password. Because when I create already, I go to create file one more. I import dot touch.php. Yeah, right now we want to write code. Yeah, we include the file login.php. Is I search session. You refer to the session ID, password, and I want to address, location, dashboard. and I want to write HTML. Login, and I want to create a login form. We use post. Yes, password we must input in box 1 to 6. Because when I create already, I want to save, and so I want to create the file dashboard. Yeah, we use start session is session ID password. Location in tech.php. Yeah. We use logout.php and use logout. Okay, when I click the password folder and I create logout.php session start and if destroy. Session destroy. We want to redirect to the .php. Okay, right now I agree as already. I want to refresh page. Okay, on this page login. We go to the login. Okay. Okay, right now I want to refresh again. Okay, we go to the InTouch. Okay, right now I go to dashboards and I say again, we refresh. Okay, I click the logout. Okay, right now I want to type number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I click submit. So we go to the dashboard. Okay, yeah, when I type the dashboard with the destroyation, yeah, the dashboard there is not show. Okay, because we destroy the session or if we want to type again, mean that the dashboard cannot use. Okay, so right now I want to finish certain part. So thank you everybody watching my video how to log in using session start and session destroy. Okay, say goodbye.